And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Welcome, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Be kind, Sea Lions.
Hi, families. Make sure you come to Family Fun Night.
Have a great day, Sea Lions.
My favorite was Hopper because my sister was in it.
What was your favorite part of pageant?
The Hopper,
Why?
because it was chasing after the police.
Okay, hey, what's your favorite part of pageant?
Mark Chagall.
Why?
Because I liked the way it danced, and I liked the border because it was really nice.
Yeah. Do you guys want to be in pageant?
Yeah.
My favorite pageant show was Hopper because when the policeman chased the guy. Pageant was fun for me because there were people dancing and it was creative and fun.
Hey, what was your favorite artist in pageant?
Hopper. Banksy. Hopper. Chagall.
My favorite part of pageant was the Mark Chagall because it was so goofy, wild, and just fun to watch.
Hey, McGaw Sea Lions. We are updating our Foursquare rules to make the game more fair for everyone. First, the line must stay outside the court. The first person in line is the judge. The judge's job is to watch the game and make fair calls, not to talk with others. There is only one player in each square. No more teaming up. New players always enter in Square D. The player in Square D is the server. To serve, the server lets the ball bounce once in their own square, then hits it underhand with two hands to another square. When your square receives the ball, you must let it bounce once in your square, then hit it underhand with two hands to another player. If you hit the line, hit the ball out of bounds, catch it, touch it twice, use only one hand, or let it bounce in your square without returning it, then good job, nice try. You can get a high five. These rules will help keep Foursquare safe, fair, and fun for everyone. Thank you for doing your part, Sea Lions.
Alrighty, so before you get started, there's a few things you're going to need. First, you need a Foursquare court. You can make one using some blue tape, some chalk on the playground, or you can even paint some lines on your playground. You're also going to need a Foursquare ball. It can be any kind of bouncy ball. So when you're ready to play Foursquare, you're going to need 4 squares, and in each square you're going to need a person. In one of the squares, you're going to label D or number 4, and that person is going to be your server. And the square next to it, you're going to label it number 3 or C. The next one's 2 or B, and the last one is 1 or number A. And the way it works is the person in square D is going to serve the ball. They're going to let the ball drop one time in their square. They're going to use 2 hands hit it underhanded into someone else's square. The purpose is to let the ball bounce one time in their square, and they're going to hit it to another person. You can hit it in any order you would like. The important thing is to not let the ball bounce on any of the lines. If you hit the line instead of someone else's square, good job, nice try. You're going to have to go to the end of the line, but at least you get a high five. Now, when someone gets a good job, nice try, the next person in line is going to come in by using square number 1 or square A, and everyone will rotate in towards D. So for example, if square number 3 gets out, number 1 goes to number 2 goes to number 3, and then the play gets to start over again.
This is Sea Lion leader Mia Viatoro with this week's announcements. Congratulations to the performers and staff of the 43rd Annual Pageant of the Arts. You did an incredible job with this year's show. Well done. It's Parent Conference Week. All students will have early dismissal at 12:30 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Please sign up for a conference as soon as possible. The We Care Food Drive begins on Monday and continues throughout the week. Drop off your donations in front of the main office at the pool gate or at Kids Corner. Check out Miss Wood's Parent Square for a list of items to bring. Congratulations to the winners of the poetry writing contest. They will read their award-winning poem at the library on Wednesday at 10:15 a.m. The pizza lunch from Jogathon is happening on Wednesday. Enjoy your cheesy lunch. Wednesday's dismissal is at 1:20 p.m. Be sure to have arrangements for pickup. PTA's Family Fun Night is on Thursday beginning at 5 p.m. Enjoy the international vibes with your whole family. Attention 5th grade campers. OSS registration packets are due on Friday. We'll be in the mountains before you know it. 3rd grade is having the music mobile in the auditorium on Friday. Enjoy the unique musical experience. 5th grade is taking their panoramic picture on Friday. Make sure you wear your black 5th grade t-shirt for the photo. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
This is Anchor 5 leader Lilina Mufuka with the quote of the week. This week's quote is from an American actress and producer named Drew Barrymore, who said, "Life is very interesting. In the end, some of your greatest pains become your greatest strengths." This quote is important because life isn't always going to be good, but you can always learn and grow from its toughest situations. I hope this quote inspires you to accept help when you know you need it and get back up when you fall down. Have a great week, Sea Lions.
I'm made for today.
That's right. Yeah.
Wow, so we got that's a whole We got a robot.
All right, turn it in. High fives on the way back.
UTK.
It's time to celebrate our Raw Buck winners, starting with UTK student Max McWilliams. Mr. Blake said that Max saw some trash flying through class, so he threw it away to keep the campus clean. Way to go, Max. We appreciate you and your awareness.
Kindergarten.
Miss Kim wants to celebrate kindergarten student Charlotte McQuaid. She said that Charlotte continues to work so hard in class. She is learning quickly and she's super engaged. Way to go, Charlotte. Welcome to the School by the Sea.
1st grade.
Let's celebrate 1st grader who got 2 Raw Bucks in 1 week. Papa Forehand and Miss Leanne said that Kai Callanan has been excellent all week long. You see, Kai was a great help setting up for Papa Art at recess, and he also picked up trash on the playground. Way to go, Kai.
2nd grade.
Mrs. Jenks wants to celebrate 2nd grader Kyle Eris. She said that Kyle and his partner got to work immediately and followed directions the whole time. Thanks, Kyle, for being such a strong student.
3rd grade.
Mrs. Anderson wants to celebrate 3rd grader Delilah Esposito. She said that Delilah was a great friend during PE. She helped a student out who was hurt. Thanks for being such a great sea lion.
4th grade.
Mr. Larson wants to shout out 4th grader Quinn Haney. He said we can always count on Quinn to share a thoughtful and engaging response in class. Way to go, Quinn.
5th grade.
Mrs. Alvarado and Mrs. Ordaz came together to celebrate 5th grade student Liam Rhodes. They said that Liam was such a gentleman at pageant practice. You see, he insisted on carrying a chair back to the classroom for them so that the teachers didn't have to do it. Thanks, Liam, for showing others how to be kind and caring at the same moment. There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!